Welcome to Parna Garden. In today's episode, I'll be sharing a simple and wholesome recipe that's Satvic Lauki Curry, which is a gentle, nourishing dish made with bottle gourd, also known as Lauki in Hindi. This Satvic style preparation is oil-free, healthy, flavorful, and perfect for a balanced meal. As the bottle gourd was very large, I took only 1/3 of it to make the Satvic Lauki curry. Chop the bottle gourd as shown here to small cubes. If it is tender, there is no need to peel the skin or the core. If not, I would recommend peeling the skin and the central core with seeds if they are tough. Place a pan on the stove and transfer the chopped bottle gourd to the pan. Add half cup water and turn on the gas stove. Add rest of the chopped bottle gourd to the pan. Stir to spread the gourd pieces so they cook evenly. Cover the lid and let them cook until soft. The ingredients shown here will go into the gravy. Additionally, I will also include roasted peanuts and tomatoes to prepare the gravy. The list of ingredients and the measurements are available in the description below. Once tomatoes are chopped, put them into the blender. Include all the dry ingredients and make a paste. Grate 2-inch piece of ginger and keep it aside. Using a fork, check if the gourd is cooked well. Once it is done, add grated ginger and prepared gravy. Stir to mix them well. Turn off the gas as the heat from the pot and gourd are sufficient to cook the gravy. Use a coffee grinder to prepare a coarse powder of peanuts. Sprinkle this over the curry. Next, chop cilantro to use as a garnish. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of powdered black pepper to help with the absorption of turmeric. Stir to mix everything. Cover the lid and set aside for 10 minutes before serving. If you like this video, try this recipe and please let me know your feedback in comments. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.